Jeremy here, jeepsunlimited.net, jeepsunlimited.net, 303-666-9020. Oh, wait, let's see. Year range, 87 and 95, 1987 and 1995. Jeep Wrangler YJ, that would be the square headlights, in case you're wondering. Frame, 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder frame. It will work on a 6-cylinder, but you got to move the mounts up, okay? Grade A+. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Came out of California. Actually, this one came out of Nevada. Most of ours came out of California, Arizona, Nevada. We buy everything running and driving. We don't buy anything wrecked, so we don't have to worry about bent frames and whatnot. Let's see here. It's got a little bit of that Nevada kind of dust built up on it, which is probably a good thing because it kind of helps preserve them. But if you get down up close and dirty and rub really hard, you'll start seeing gold here in a second. No, I'm just kidding. It's not gold. It's just the factory paint. So let's see if I can get that to show. So a pressure washer will clean that right off, and then you'll have nice factory black paint underneath. Probably still a good idea if it's going to the Midwest to coat it with something, a Rust-Oleum or something, just to give it a little extra protection. But that is completely up to you. These pockets love to scale up. These ones are perfect. There's a little bit of sand in them, but there's no scaling in them whatsoever. Back of the frame is as clean as the front of the frame. And there is absolutely nothing that you will need to do to get this thing back up on the road, minus the cosmetic if you want to paint it or not. And even comes with, looks like some cat fur. Oh, not anymore. So, questions, comments, concerns, please let us know. I will flip it over, so don't worry. That is coming next. Just want to make sure you see everything. On top side, once again, that pocket nice and clean. No scaling otherwise than that one. So, all right. So, I'll get that bent back. I hit that the forklift earlier, so I bent that perch. Put a hammer, will bend that guy right back. Otherwise, it's perfect. That's an area they love to rust out in. This is all nice and clean up through here. Again, if you get on it and you, it's helpful if you have something a little bit, as you can see there. It's got a good dust, kind of mud dust. It's kind of protected over the years. So actually, I like to see that. That usually helps keep the factory paint nice and neat under them. So when you wash them, they look really, really nice. So all the holes there are good. This guy, yep, they just put this one back in it. So that's exactly what you want there. Nice good threads, nice shiny threads down there. I'll throw that guy back in there just for good measure. We do sell those bolts as well as the belly pans, everything else you can think of. That's just being lazy is what that is. So those will need to be cut out probably at this point, although you might be able to bang them out. I like to take a big bus torque wrench to them and then get a box wrench on one side and pull as you're hitting that thing with that big 3,000 pound, it pulls them right out. So but my guys get a little lazy sometimes, so that's what we get. Otherwise, that's it. Beautiful frame, A+, 4-cylinder, YJ, 8795, Easter Sunday, 2018. Give us a call if you have any questions, comments, concerns. 303-666-9020, jeepsunlimited.net. Thanks a lot.